Today we're going to be making an Iron Man gauntlet out of cardboard. Now I know I've made this before, but this time we are going to make it light up. In this video we're going to be using cardboard and duct tape and hot glue to make essentially a model of the Iron Man gauntlet from the Avengers movies. Now we're going to make it light up with these string lights that I'm going to leave a link to in the description below. They're actually relatively cheap. I found a pack of 5 of these for $10, and we're also going to be using metallic red and gold paint for the aesthetics. We're also going to be using rubber bands to launch a dart from the gauntlet to make it, to add a bit of functionality to it, like some of the other projects that I've made. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward and a pretty easy project, and if you follow along in the video, you should be able to make it at home. Okay, we made the glove, looks pretty cool. Now we will make the mechanism. This gauntlet fires these little darts right here made out of plastic. I literally cut this out of a pen, and it will use nothing else except for a rubber band, this, a clothespin, a jumbo straw typically found in milkshakes and bubble tea containers, and
a lot of hot glue. Lots and lots and lots and lots of hot glue. We actually made this intro after we made it, so it looks like this.
Yeah, it will look like this, and here's how it will. Okay, that actually works. That was cool. Alright, so I made the gauntlet, and it looks pretty cool. It's all cardboard at the moment, except for the duct tape and the hot glue, and it fits well, and it actually looks pretty cool. And I added the mechanism, so now all I need to do is give it a paint job and the lights. So for this project, I'll be using gold and red metallic paints. I'll leave a link to those in the description below. And for the lights, I'm going to be using these LED string lights that are actually really, really cool and really cheap. I found them on Amazon for $10 for a 5-pack, and I will leave an exact link to that Amazon products in the link below. And that is it, everyone. Thank you for watching. This is the final product. It looks pretty awesome. I wired the lights into the space that we had under the first layer, under the top layer, and on top of the above layer, so they slip in like that. It looks pretty cool, especially with a red and gold paint job. I added some black paint too to match the barrel where the dirt goes through, and to match the gray silver duct tape. And overall, it fits well, it looks pretty cool, and it's functional. So, let's test it out. And that is it for today, everybody. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions for what I should build next, feel free to comment below. Thank you, and I'll see you later.